Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and this is technical analysis of the stock market today. Today is Monday, September 8th, 2014. We're going to take a look at the indices like we typically do. We don't have a whole lot of action to analyze, so this is going to be a fairly short video, so hang in there. We'll get through this quickly. The Dow was only down 26 points today, and the entire trading range today was like 58, almost 60 points. So we really didn't get, it's like you wondered whether everybody was even back or, we just didn't have a lot of economic reports and stuff going on today. And S&P 500, same thing, was on inside day, down a couple of points, 6 points, 6.1 points. So sideways, we're hanging above the 21 in here. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ, which was up today. And again, staying above 21, it's riding it. Was up 9.37 points, as was the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 was up today, up but just a couple of points. So, but again, we're hanging in here. We're not rolling down. The only one that was negative was the New York Composite. Really, that looked. I mean, the Dow was down, but the New York Composite looked the most negative. There wasn't a whole lot of change in any of the indicators going on. Let's take a look at this New York Composite. Okay. This one got to close below the 10. Okay, so of all 5 of these indices, this is the one that looks the most negative. This is the broadest one too, so that's what's really kind of weird about this deal today. Now, this could be nothing more than, some consolidation. Just a little, you draw a little line in here like that, and you draw a line in here like that. And that could be nothing more than what we're doing in here. Now, it closed below the 10, but you need more than that to say all of a sudden you're heading down. You didn't even get a close of RSI below 50. And DI plus is still above DI minus. So those are the 5 indices today. Let's look at the index short-term trading index, 1.39 close. The 10-day is sitting at 1.02. Again, we just can't seem to get a reading at an extreme, which really surprised me back in June. We got the extreme readings on the CBOE, on the put-to-call ratio for the equity put-to-call, and we didn't get an extreme reading. We haven't had an extreme reading on the trend, which is the short-term trading index, all year. The last time was here, I think, late December, the 31st. I have to look at that. I think that's right. Let's see. I'm kind of curious now. 0.9, I think that's right. Okay. The VIX inside day slightly up today because the market was a little bit down, but mixed. You got to call it, down, mixed to down. High low, similar type thing. Yes, we got a little bounce back after that dive, last week, Thursday, Friday. 106 more new highs than new lows. We're not really getting any kind of reading. We're not staying down below here, and we're not up at an extreme on this yet. So we're just kind of watching to see if it gives us anything. Really, that's about it on the market today. Kind of a quick look. We're going to look at Solar City. Solar City is the one trade idea we got into today. There was really no change on the other 2 that I'm in. Melco Crown Entertainment and Valero. Although Valero is not acting as good as I would like to see it, but we'll see. I'm just holding the stop. No change in the stops on either one of those. And this one we got in today, and let me blow it up a little bit. Okay, so we hit our entry point, which was up in here, above the high from last Thursday. We got our entry point, and let's take a look at the volume. And the volume was a little lower than even on Friday, 3.28. I would like to see it above the 50-day moving average, honestly. We're approaching this trend line on the RSI, which is interesting. I think if we break this trend line, it's going to be a signal this is wanting to break out of this congestion, which I think will be a prelude to breaking this trend line. That's just my interpretation of it. Right now, I think the wave count is pushing us higher. this looks like a corrective wave in here and getting this type of signal, we will see if we, you never know. I mean, that's the thing about the market. I mean, all you can do is try to assess what you think the play is, and you just don't know what the market's going to give you. I guarantee you get in down here, you got a couple closes above the 10, and you're thinking, wow, okay, well, maybe this is going to turn. You would have no idea you're going to get a big move like this, just exploding and popping. So you just try to take what the market will give you and work your plan like I've talked about. You make sure you have an initial target, having a stop, have some idea as to what you think the scenario is that you're trying to play out. And we just go from there and manage the amount of money that you're putting into the trade position. So, okay, this has been Joe for Beyond the Chart. That's it for tonight. I will be back with some updates on 3 stocks tomorrow. I know Apple's got their big day tomorrow with the big announcements, and I think I'm actually scheduled to review the Apple chart tomorrow. I know Apple's pulled back. And I'll be back Wednesday night with another market update with looking at the BRIC countries and some of the Chinese stocks. So, all right, this has been Joe from Beyond the Chart. Thanks for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. It's easy. First name and email. It's all you need. And you can follow me and get access to the Trade Ideas webpage. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great Wednesday, everyone.